Hi, this is Sue Matheis with the Trifilo sales team. Welcome to 247 Le Havre, a 3-bedroom ranch with a finished basement and a large corner lot. Step into the spacious living room featuring striking dark accent walls, beautiful hardwood flooring, and ample natural light from the large front window. This room sets a modern and cozy tone. The floor plan flows effortlessly into the formal dining area, ready for holiday meals with plenty of room for your favorite hutch or china cabinet. Kitchen focus. Next, we enter the impressive eat-in kitchen. Notice the bright white cabinets paired with gorgeous granite countertops and the full suite of sleek black stainless steel appliances. From the kitchen, we proceed down the central hallway, leading directly to the home's private spaces. First, the fully updated main bathroom. It shines with a contemporary double vanity. 2 additional bedrooms offer incredible flexibility, easily serving as a quiet home office, guest room, or space for family. This beautiful home won't last long. Contact us for a private view and more information today.